In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the mini launch kit for digital creators. First, we're going to start with the 30-day launch timeline. Here is the calendar view and a table view. I have filled out days 1 through 30, and once you click complete, it'll show up in a list view for you where you can see what you have already completed from the task list, and it will also show up in the calendar view as well. Also, if you need to, you can go ahead and change the date or clear the date out and clear out the phase and the select. If you click the wrong thing, it's very easy to go back and clear it out. Next, we have the offer description. If you fill in all the information in the table, the product name, your audience, the problem it solves, what's included, transformation, and your CTA, it will auto populate in the final column that says final description, and you can copy and paste that and put it into your caption. Also, after you copy and paste it, you can customize it even further if you need to, and I have include the template that is used as well so that you can fill it in on your own if you want to. The next thing we have is the promo content calendar. This right here is just a content calendar for you to lay out your promotion for whatever product or service that you're building. This one right here, I did day 1 through 7. You also have a calendar view as well as your table view, and you can see here the calendar view is in a weekly view. And if you want to, you can go over to the 3 little dots on the side where new is right here. You click that and you can duplicate the view to do a second week, or you can just go in and edit it and put whatever date that you're on. Next, we have the soft launch checklist. That's all it is to help you walk you through what you should have done for your checklist, and you can mark those off. Here are some quick design templates that are free that I included in this for you. Just click on the link and download it. You'll receive a PDF file to the Canva template to be able to download and use. Right here is a quick platform guide. This just walks you through 5 platforms that you can use to set up your link and bio store. And lastly, we have more resources where I just link my website. And this mini launch kit is great for digital creators, content creators, whatever business or brand that you have is a great tool to use. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Also, if you want to purchase this, you can visit elevatebulletrees.com.